What starts as a routine shopping trip quickly spirals into a high-stakes theft investigation, one that raises serious questions about intent, timing, and truth. A woman walks out of a store with hundreds of dollars in merchandise, but claims she was going to pay. The officer isn't buying it. As tensions rise, conflicting stories begin to unravel, and what looks like a simple misunderstanding could actually be a coordinated scheme. Was this an innocent mistake or a calculated attempt to beat the system? And more importantly, when does suspicion become enough for an arrest? Stay with us, because this situation is about to escalate fast.
You said sleeping?
Say what happened to this boy? What's going on?
So he boarded the flight. So he's scanning, he walked down the jet bridge. After the jet bridge, he just turned around and walked off. So I'm trying to get his attention to like what's going on. He doesn't answer nothing. I'm down the jet bridge and I'm tagging back to the flight. She's up here. He walked straight past her. So she's trying to get his attention, like, sir, like, what's going on? He doesn't answer. So she didn't tell you more about what happened at the front. So I don't know what's
So the flight left already?
Yeah, the flight already gone. So he didn't say anything. Halfway through in the jet bridge, he just turned around and walked off. So I'm trying to get attention, like, yo, what's going on? He doesn't answer anybody. He just walks off. So she wasn't quite sure. She didn't say that.
What is it? Oh, what's going on?
First he walked off the jet bridge, they were trying to get his name, he wasn't replying. He wasn't replying, and then when he got to the top, I kind of had to like go in front of him like, sir, what's your name, what's your name? And he's like, I don't know if that, like, it's, he said it in Spanish? Yeah. And then I got his seat number, he said 13, and I'm like, okay. I looked him up, I saw it was 31F. He was gone already, and then he comes back when he was on the desk, and then he was trying to get on the aircraft. He tried to run me over, and he went like this. He was ready, and I'm like, that's the day. And he goes and he backs down, and he left again. He threw himself on the ground, threw his jacket off, and then he came back again. He tried to open the doors, both doors. He couldn't open the doors, that's why the alarms went off. And then after that,
Lower level terminal 1, we interact with
and he's like sweating a lot too.
Yeah, maybe he's 5 minutes. Hi. Let me ask you a question. Are you okay? Have you been drinking?
No.
Are you on any medication or anything?
No, sir.
Is there a reason why you were acting like that at the gate?
No, sir.
Alright, so just so you know, the flight's already left.
Okay.
So what do you need to do right now? We're going to walk you outside.
Another flight, yeah.
Find it.
Yeah. I'll figure it out. Alright, then we're going to walk you outside of that.
Come on, let's go.
The flight's gone.
That's not.
I appreciate it.
Let's go.
Appreciate your hunger.
It's alright, man. Let's go. If you're not okay to fly, it's better you go find somewhere and whatever you want. I'm not saying because. Huh? Yeah. So yeah, book another flight for another day. Yeah, because it don't work out for you today. So because if you do come back again and you start acting up like that, you're gonna end up in jail. Alright, let's go over there. Just go.
2 Bravo 3.
Listen, alright, as if for right now, today JetBlue is not gonna let you fly. And listen to me. They're not gonna let you fly. What you need to do is go home. I don't know what you want, whatever you think, because your behavior was not normal. So they said that you started working, and next time you started walking out and they're trying to talk to you, you wouldn't respond and stuff like that. If you come back to this airport today and you act like this again, I will take you to jail. You understand? So go home, call the airline, figure it out, and get yourself rebooked, and get yourself situated, and come back and fly whenever you want to fly. Do you have an actual ID on you?
Thank you, sir. I appreciate that.
Let me just see your ID. Whoever's coming to pick us. Yeah, I'm going to give it to you. I just need your ID so I can take it. Your passport, whatever.
You just got to take a picture of it. He's not taking it.
Yeah, let me take a picture of it.
I don't need to take a picture of it.
I need your picture ID real quick. Let me see your driver's license.
How would you want to take a picture?
Because I just need a picture. I need to get your date of birth.
I identify you. See that. I'm sure, Joe.
I needed to take a picture. Just let go of it, and then I'll give it back.
Why are you taking a picture of us? We gotta know who you are.
I'm gonna give me a second. Let me debrief with my surgeon. Wait a second.
Sir,
Relax.
hey, wait. You're not taking the passport. We'll get it back to you, but not right this minute. Wait. You understand? You will get it back, not right now.
Alright. Go ahead.
Put
this down the ground. Take the bag off.
We're gonna take the bag off.
Hold this.
Put your hands behind your back for right now.
Place your hand behind your back.
Right now, put your hands behind your back. You're being detained while we investigate something. We got additional information. Do you understand? You understand? We have additional information about what occurred.
I'm gonna explain to you. The way you was acting at the gate over there, you started walking halfway through, and next thing you know, you pull yourself out. This is not a normal behavior. Why now? What we're gonna do is you're not being arrested. Let me listen. Listen to me. Let me explain to you. You're not being arrested. You're gonna be very active. You're gonna be transported to the hospital where you can see the psychiatrist. Because
We need to go to the hospital.
yeah, that's what
we're doing. We need to get some help.
We're going to the hospital. Relax.
Because you're going to the hospital to get some help.
Yeah, that's what you're doing. We're going to the hospital. It's all.
Y'all over here trying to help you.
He's going to the hospital.
Open light.
That's fine. We're going to take you to the hospital. That's where you're going. Alright? It's fine. That's where you're going. You're not being arrested. Just relax.
Hey, stop that, buddy.
Relax. Hey.
What are you doing?
Alright, take him down.
Get him down. Get on the ground. Por favor. Stop, buddy. Stop. Buddy. Stop. Yo. Get it down here. Get it marked down here.
¡Mira! ¡Que no pueden hacer esto! ¡No pueden hacer esto! What are you doing? What are you doing?
Let's sit him down.
What are you doing?
Fist off is fine.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Can you confirm the door number?
Put them in recovery position, guys.
313.
Don't try to get up. Don't try to get up, okay? Stay down.
Just relax, dude. Relax. Alright, sit up. Sit up. Alright. If you're gonna sit up, sit like that. Relax. Just sit down like that. Relax.
Oh, my phone! It's a phone! It's a phone!
Let go
of it.
Please, let me have my phone.
No.
Let me have my phone.
Buddy.
Let me have
Get him
my
in the
phone.
unit. Get him in his unit.
Oh my God, no, hey, stop. Stop, why are you doing this to me?
Relax.
Listen
Why
to
are you
me.
doing this to
Listen to me. Stop talking
Why are
for
you
a second.
doing this to me?
Shut up. Stop being difficult. It's gonna be worse for you. Stop being difficult. Stop moving. Stop moving. I don't need to hear you right now. Just shut up for 2 seconds.
Yes.
Stop moving. Okay? I don't need you to reach in your freaking pockets to get a phone. You'll have enough time to do that. Do you understand me? Look at me. Stop acting like a knucklehead.
Understood.
Listen to these deputies' instructions. Okay?
I'm listening,
It's
sir.
not time for you
Sir,
to start
I'm
being
listening.
ridiculous.
Sir, I'm listening.
Okay. Don't move.
I'm listening.
Okay.
I'm listening.
Okay, then stay right there. We're gonna put you in shackles now.
Bravo 5 and 2 Bravo 7. Can you copy the 49 audible? 2 Bravo 5. 1241 Sterling Road, DSTB Enterprise.
Shows up.
Mine is upstairs. Relax.
Stop, buddy.
What are you doing?
You're gonna get yourself.
Go ahead.
We're searching you. We need to make sure we don't. You think we're gonna believe you? We need to make sure. Oh, thank you so much for letting us know. You still have to check. It's your job.
I don't have any weapons.
Okay, great. Thank you for letting us know.
Door 313.
Stop flexing. Stop flexing. It's only gonna get worse.
Go to 24.
Pull away again, it's gonna get worse.
Whenever
I'm not trying to pull away. I'm not pulling away.
Stop flipping. You're good.
I'm
Relax.
not pulling away. Can somebody please help? Call help. Somebody like record this. Can somebody please record this?
30 times.
Can somebody please record this? Record this, please. Record this, please.
Each car from any
Hello.
We're recording. You're on camera right now. Everybody here is recording. Don't worry about it. We have plenty of video footage of you.
My car's up on level.
Right here. My camera is recording you.
There ain't a unit at lower level that can respond. Say Bravo 4-2, can you copy? What are you coming from upper level, but I'll come around. I'll be there.
Ain't nobody trying to hurt you. We actually trying to help you. Because you're acting like that. If you never act out, we would never help you.
Show me all the numbers.
Rotate them so you can search the other side. Do you understand?
I'm trying to fine.
Rotate the other side.
I'm fine.
Lay down. Lay down.
See? Yes. Want to help them out? Sure.
They're doing. They got it. It's fine.
We need.
They got it. We got enough hands. We got enough hands. It's fine.
I'm not flexing.
All right. Are we done searching or not
Can
yet?
somebody please record this? Can somebody please record this? Please record this. Please record this. Please record this.
Move again and you're gonna
Somebody
break your
please
wrist.
record this.
Yeah.
I respect you guys.
Come on.
Guys,
Let's get them up.
I respect you guys, but I need you guys to please, like, treat me like a human being.
Go in the car.
Go
in the car.
Get in there.
Go in the car. You'll get it.
Get in there.
Please, man, my ID, my
Get in there.
passport and my ID.
We'll give them to you later. Come on, get in
Right
there.
there. They're right there.
Get in there, man.
They're right there. They're right there. You're gonna get on your property.
Search them one more time.
You're gonna get everything. Can you please have my passport? Can I please have my passport? Stop.
Stop. I already told you you're gonna have.
Can I please have my passport? Can I please have my passport?
There's nothing on this pocket.
I don't have anything, guys. I don't
Get
have
in there.
anything.
Put your foot in
I
there.
don't have anything.
Close the door. Oh my God.
You're gonna have to go in the car. Now you want to push it.
Grab his legs. Hold his upper body. Hold his upper body. You got it? I got him.
Guys,
Get in there.
You got the upper body. Grab him. Come on. You're not gonna pull him.
What we just witnessed is a textbook example of how small decisions can snowball into serious legal consequences. At the center of this case is one key issue: intent. In theft investigations, especially retail theft, it's not just about whether items left the store unpaid. It's about whether there was a deliberate plan to avoid paying. And here, that's exactly what law enforcement believed they were seeing. Let's break it down. The suspect exited the store with merchandise that had been scanned but not paid for. That alone raises immediate red flags. In most retail environments, once you pass the point of sale without completing payment, it can legally be considered theft, even if you claim you intended to return and pay later. Yeah, the officer made this point very clearly. Normal shopping behavior doesn't involve loading unpaid items into a car. Now layer in the inconsistencies. The suspect claimed her friend was paying. The friend, however, gave a different version, saying she was only paying for certain items. Then we hear about Cash App transfers, a frozen bank account, and confusion over who was responsible for what. These contradictions don't just create doubt, they strengthen probable cause. From an investigative standpoint, when stories don't align, officers are trained to assume deception may be involved. Another critical moment: the attempted flight. When the suspect runs, everything changes. Even if there was still ambiguity about the theft, fleeing from law enforcement introduces a completely separate charge: resisting arrest without violence. Yeah, and that's exactly what happened here. The officer even explains it. Cooperation can lead to leniency, but resistance escalates the situation instantly. There's also the bigger picture. The officer references prior incidents and a known pattern of behavior. While that alone doesn't prove guilt in this case, it absolutely influences how seriously the situation is treated. Loss prevention teams track repeat offenders, and when someone matches a known method, like scanning items without paying, it raises the stakes significantly. In the end, the court's decision reflects all of these factors combined. The value of the merchandise, over $1,400, pushes this into grand theft territory, which carries much heavier penalties than petty theft. Add in the resisting charge, and the outcome becomes even more severe: jail time, probation, and a mandatory anti-theft course. So here's the real question for you. Do you think this was a misunderstanding that spiraled out of control? Or was this a deliberate attempt that just didn't go as planned? And if you were in that situation, would you have handled it differently? Cases like this are a powerful reminder that intent, behavior, and reaction all matter, especially under pressure. One wrong move can turn suspicion into charges, and charges into convictions. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.